Solve the absolute value of x plus 4 equals the absolute value of x plus 2. This is another absolute value equation where we have two absolute value symbols. And so just like the last one, we're going to split this up into two separate equations, though we will see something a little bit different in this scenario. Let's split this up into the two equations. The first equation is x plus 4 equals x plus 2. And then the second equation is going to be x plus 4 equals the opposite of x plus 2. Remember that we split this up in this way because the two situations where two different expressions will have equal absolute values is when those expressions are equal to each other or when those expressions are opposite of each other. So let's solve each of these. In the first one, we need to get rid of one of those variables, so we subtract x on both sides. When we do that, we end up with 4 equals 2. Now we know that 4 does not equal 2, and usually in a situation like this, we would write no solution, but we're not going to write that because there's actually going to be a solution to this second one, so it wouldn't be true to say that there's no solution to the absolute value equation. It's just that this particular part didn't give us a solution. So here I'm just going to toss this away because that's not helpful. 4 is not equal to 2, never will be. And I'm going to focus on the other equation instead. If we distribute that negative sign, we get x plus 4 equals the opposite of x minus 2. We've got variables on both sides. We can eliminate the negative x by adding a positive x to both sides, giving us 2x plus 4 equals negative 2. Now if we subtract 4 from both sides, that gives us 2x equals negative 6. And if we divide both sides by 2, that gives us x equals negative 3. So in this case, we only have one solution, and that solution is x equals negative 3. And we would have felt pretty silly if we had written no solution over here, because if we write no solution and then we find a solution, that contradicts ourselves. So we will not write no solution for these if we're able to find a solution from at least one of the two equations. So here, our final answer is just x equals negative 3.